All right, so we are good for the session now. Let's get started. Welcome to Mr. Pradeep Patel, who is the Director Marketing for Ramdev Food Products Private Limited. Thank you, Pradeep, for agreeing to join us for this session with our 100 days of running audience. So we'll be sharing this video on our Facebook page, and we would like to, thank you for coming over and giving us your valuable time. So for our audience, for the people who are going to watch this video, a quick mention about Ramdev. I mean, Ramdev is a household name in spices. It needs no introduction. They are global suppliers of spices and food products across basically the world. So that's a wonderful Indian organization. Um, and coming back to Pradeep, Pradeep is 48 years old. He's a marathoner. He's a runner. So I think something like 15 half marathons. Pradeep, is that correct?
Yes, yes, that's
Excellent.
correct. In
Pradeep
last
is
6 months, last 6 years.
last 6 years. So last 6 years, 15 marathons. That's brilliant. So Pradeep is a fitness freak. He loves to travel a lot. I hear his wife runs too. So Pradeep, who motivated each other? Did you motivate your wife to take up running, or did she motivate you to take up running?
Uh,
What's the story here?
Actually, I started running, and at one point, I just thought of giving up. But then my wife pushed me. She also started running. She joined
Mhm.
some training institute, and then since last 4 years, we run together.
Okay.
Whatever the timings are were different, but yeah, we runs together almost. We have done several marathon, half marathon together,
So what's
and
your
she's
running
my
journey like?
motivation.
What's your running journey like? In you mentioned 6 years, right? Since when you have been
Yes.
running. So what are your the key highlights? Some interesting moments, some interesting events you have participated in. Maybe you can tell us something about that.
Oh yes. When I thought of running on the roads, when I see people running on the roads, I had an charm that yes, I want to run on the roads also. लेकिन बहुत सारे लोग कहते हैं कि उसमें नहीं खराब हो जाते हैं, वो खराब हो जाते हैं, and I thought
Right.
of going scientifically. So
Absolutely.
I tried to search for the right people, right institute, and I got Ahmedabad distance runners. So they are elite runners. पहली बार उनसे दौड़ने के लिए गया एक संडे को, and it was 10 kilometer run. Amit Dada was there, Amit Bhattacharya ji,
Very
and
popular
he
runner.
very
Everybody knows
popular
his
run.
name.
And yeah, and Amit Dada, then he pushed me like anything. And during the run, he gave me some tips on stepping, breathing exercise, which helped me to, and then everyone is pushing to everyone. तो बहुत motivated लगा. मैंने बोला यार it's fantastic. मैंने सुबह 7:30 बजे खत्म हो जाती है. मस्त चाय पियो and go back to your work by 9 o'clock. It's nothing like it. So it was inspiring. Then my friends from Ahmedabad, Satish Patel,
Mhm.
was Ahmedabad Distance Runners member also. We call him Bopal Naresh. He talked to me about 100 days of running,
Mhm.
maybe 4 years back. यार प्रदीप भाई, why don't you join this HDOR? मैंने बोला ये HDOR का full form भी बताओ क्या होता है. And then I thought, yes, this is interesting. एवरी डे 2 किलोमीटर में कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है, हम तो वैसे भी काफी कुछ कर लेते हैं.
Mhm.
तो देन 100 डेज में तो 4 साल से जर्नी शुरू हुई है. बट माय फर्स्ट मैराथन मैंने प्रैक्टिस करने के 2 साल बाद अटेम्प्ट किया,
Okay.
बिकॉज एक अहमदाबाद में ही थी, एज यू
Mhm.
सेड दैट. लेकिन अगले दिन इतने सारे प्रेशर में आई जस्ट डिप्रेस्ड माय, तो दूसरे दिन फिर मैं दौड़ ही नहीं पाया. तो फिर मैंने फिर कोशिश की, फिर एक और साल लगा. Then I achieved, and I achieved like anything, and it was my big day. So
So,
how my journey started.
so I would like to also share that Ahmedabad was one of my important events as well several years back.
Mm-hmm.
And I think Ahmedabad Distance Runners Community organizes these events. So I was participating in the Ahmedabad Marathon. For
Mm-hmm.
the record, that was my slowest marathon. I took something like 6 hours, 20 minutes or something to do that marathon.
Okay. Okay.
And
Okay.
it was just a bad day for me. It was a bad day for me.
Mm-hmm.
But
Mm-hmm.
the good thing is, I was ready to give up around midway. Around midway, I was ready to give up. And then a
Okay.
funny incident happened, which I would like to narrate now. The
Uh,
funny incident was that I stopped and I
mhm.
started walking in the reverse direction to go back somewhere.
Yeah.
So I had already quit
Just
basically.
give up.
I started walking back,
Okay.
and
Okay.
then I met somebody who said he was also walking,
Mhm.
taking it easy and just moving on. So he said, "चलो चलते हैं, मतलब करते हैं, किसी तरह से हम करेंगे
Mhm.
पूरा."
Okay.
From that point onwards, since I met that person, I don't even remember the name now, but we kept on moving, kept on walking and running and gradually moving,
Oh,
and
yes.
we reached the finish line. And to me, that was probably one of the
The
biggest
best part.
experiences for me, achievements for me.
Great.
So that
Great.
those are the things which you remember, right? Those are the key moments in your
Exactly.
life. You
Yeah.
remember that
Yeah.
you had actually given up, but then something
Mhm.
sparked in your mind that let's do
Okay.
it, and that's the spirit of running, I guess, right? uh,
Exactly.
the runners don't give up, and so these are especially difficult situation for all of us, right? With the
Oh, yes.
coronavirus situation and all, people not being able to run and everything. So how are you managing under these circumstances?
Actually, these days, I don't suggest anyone to run on the roads because
Hmm.
it is about the personal safety and personal caring.
Right, that's fair.
But
That's
yes,
fair.
that's fair enough. So in my community, I just walk, run. On my treadmills, I run.
Hmm.
And in this period, in spite of all these treadmill runs and short runs and वगैरह, I does some bit of gym. तो
Okay.
एक घर में एक छोटा सा जिम बनाया हुआ है तो
Right.
आई does work out on that. But I sees that कि 5 days in a week at least I maintain my physical fitness.
All right.
I spend on it because I am a foodie, so I shouldn't increase my
So
weight
you have a
because of
good balance between having enjoying the good life with good food, and continue to focus on
yes,
your fitness as well. That's
definitely
excellent to
yes,
hear.
yeah.
So Pradeep, let's go back and talk about Ramdev, right?
Mm-hmm.
Ramdev has been phenomenal over the last few years with their presence for 100 days of running. I mean, last
Mm-hmm.
year we had about 100 plus participants from Ramdev
Oh,
participating in
yes,
our 100 days of running event. This year, more than 150 people. I'm totally awed by the kind of numbers I see from
mm-hmm.
Ramdev this year. 150, more than 150 participants. So I'm sure there is, a very strong culture of fitness and running within Ramdev. I would like to hear it from you, like what inspires so many people to take part in these sort of challenges and events.
Firstly, I will say thank you to you because you inspired me and I inspired my people to run for this. And because I am into marketing, I usually traveling a lot. Even during my travelings, used to maintain my 100 days of running fitness challenge on. So I take my shorts research and all gazettes and everything. So my team was just observing, yeah, what is this? Even after meeting, you haven't run for in the morning, so you are going in the night.
Right.
What is this? And then I just share the whole thing. For them to sell this idea of 100 days was 2 kilometers a day only. So they feel that yes, ये तो कर सकते हैं. हफ्ते में 3 दिन 4 दिन वैसे भी 4 4 5 5 किलोमीटर अगर चलते हैं तो
Right.
7 दिन इतना मिनिमम कर लेंगे तो कर हो जाएगा. तो when we took a challenge, तो in 2018 there were 13 participants only.
Mm-hmm.
13 लोग थे जो सिर्फ रामदेव में
Okay.
से.
Mm-hmm.
बट वर्ड बाय माउथ हम लोगों ने फिर हमने स्ट्रावा में एक क्लब बनाया, रामदेव फिटनेस क्लब,
Okay.
जिसमें रामदेव की जो भी टीम है, जो भी एम्प्लॉइज हैं, they will
Mm-hmm.
be part of this club only and they will update their data regularly. So I just go on and it and I just like their walks and their runs. तो सब लोग मोटिवेट होते गए और last year we around 155 participants in 100 days, and this year again we are almost 156 participants
Yes.
till
Mm-hmm.
the date. And believe me, 2-3 तो रनर्स हो चुके हैं, हाफ मैराथनर्स. My PB is 2 hours 13 minutes
Mm-hmm.
half man,
Excellent. That's great.
but my team, they are sub 2.
Yeah.
enough. Wow. So
That's a
this is
huge
my
milestone.
achievement. Yeah.
Going below 2 hours is a big milestone for a lot of people.
Yes, yes.
It's tough.
And so basically, I just took up a challenge to make everyone fit. क्योंकि सेल्स लाइन में क्या होता है, बंदे खाना पीना सोना ये सब यू नो स्ट्रेसफुल लाइफ, उसमें
Right.
ये करना is quite challenging. So I took up it as a challenge, and I can say I am successful in this my project. So people
So,
are running for me.
yes, that is like the key motivation why we started 100 days of running. And just to quickly
Mm-hmm.
share my personal story with you, I did 100 days on my own in 2014,
Mm-hmm.
and I did because during the summer months we all just stopped running here, especially in North India when
Mm-hmm.
the summers are intense, and
Oh yes.
everybody sort of takes a few months break. So I thought,
Mm-hmm.
okay, let me continue my running journey during those period also. And 100 days
Perfect.
was for me a goal, an inspiration. Okay, this is a
Mm-hmm.
golden figure I have to achieve, and if I achieve that, my summer will go well. And then when
Mm-hmm.
the events come in August, September, October, I will be able to perform well and do well. So I
Mm-hmm.
realized after doing all of that that it was a great source of consistency and fitness, and
Okay.
I was indeed able to see a change in myself after doing those 100 days,
Mm-hmm.
and that's why the platform started. And like you said, the concept of just 2 kilometers a day, it may be very simple sounding, right? Anybody can do it. You
Perfect.
know that,
Yeah.
I know that 2 kilometers is not a challenge. Everybody can
But
do that.
but going for 100 days
Going,
consistently, that is
yeah, that's a
biggest
bigger
challenge.
challenge actually, because
Yeah.
sometimes everybody is into different situations, right? Somebody is traveling, and somebody is
Mm-hmm.
having vacations with their family, and somebody is going through some tough times
Yes.
at work,
Mm-hmm.
some stress.
Mm-hmm.
So doing that 2 kilometers daily is probably a way bigger challenge that than just.
Yeah.
So the challenge is stepping outside your home, basically.
Outside
That's
of yeah,
you
that's the
take that
biggest
first
challenge.
step, and then everything else is simple after that, because you know that 2 kilometers is not that challenge. The challenge is to take that one step outside your home, and that's the
uh,
challenge of 100 days. And
and I
I
will just add one flower into the buckets of these 100 days of runnings.
mhm,
My one friend Abhishek Pandey, he's from
mhm,
Ahmedabad only,
right.
and 3 years back he started 100 days of running, and since that day, before 3 years, he has never stopped.
uh,
More than 1200 days are done
1200 days.
daily. Yeah, and average is around 8 kilometers a day.
So do you see
Since
a
last 12
transformation in him?
1200 days,
You see
last,
you see a physical transformation in him when you
of
see him
course,
now?
of course,
Mhm.
super transformer, hefty, but now is a lean thin. Discipline is different now. There's one my friend who's Manthan. Again, he started 100 days of running, and for his friend, he gave a company. His friend ran for around mm, number of kilometers. One night, he thought of starting running from his place to his native. It's around 76.
Okay,
He started alone and he reached there.
he was able to do that.
Because of the consistency he
Right,
developed through this event
right.
and consistent efforts. Yes, definitely he could do that. So
And
these
that's
are lot of motivational
really
stories
wonderful
around me.
stories you have shared with us
Yeah,
from your circle, from your runner friends. Some really good and inspiring stories for the participants here. Maybe this is something which can inspire the next generation of 100-day participants who feel that maybe
definitely.
this is something tough. They can
Mm-hmm.
realize that this is not really that tough to do. It is possible, and basically, and any one of us can do it, as long as they decide and make that commitment to themselves, that no matter what we are going to, this year is especially challenging. So like my advice for all participants is to focus first of all on your safety, on the
Of
safety of
course.
others around you, and make sure
Yes.
you do, if it is required, do 100 days indoors. I mean,
Mm-hmm.
this year we have reduced the distance commitment to just one
This is
kilometer,
also no?
because
Yes.
1 kilometer is walk. If you walk indoors for like 10 to 15 minutes, you are done. you
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 are
are
done with
done
this.
for your
Yes.
challenge, right? And that is safe also. If see, every city, every place has a different situation right now.
Situation
If
definitely.
participants think that they can run around their house somewhere or inside
Mm-hmm.
their society in controlled situation, then that is fine. If they are okay
Of
to run
course.
inside their home, they feel comfortable, that is also possible. So they
Possible.
should basically take care of, okay, how they are going to do 100 days, so that they keep their safety first and the safety of everybody around them as well. That's like our recommendation. And I'm sure you and your friends will also keep all of these things in mind when taking up 100 days this
Oh
year.
yes, definitely.
So I guess that's all for today, Pradeep. I think it was wonderful having you over for this
Thank
session.
you.
Thank you.
Hmm.
Pradeep, Director Marketing, Ramdev Food Products Private Limited. He was our guest today for this 100 days of running webinar. And all the best and to the entire Ramdev team for the 2020 edition.
Thank you very
So,
much, and good luck to all the participants and
all right.
the organizers.
Thank you, Pradeep. We'll catch up soon. Bye.
Be safe. Be safe.
Thanks.
Enjoy.